Now, New Orleans, disgusting place, rich of history. I'm sure. I did some
Jesus
touristy
Christ.
stuff, but a lot of strip clubs over
Really?
there, lot. And went to a bachelor party over there for a strip club, and walked in this place. And I even told the ladies, I'm like, hey, not interested in any of this shit. I just want to get on the balcony and I want to throw some beads. And they're like, okay, fine. And I was like, they're all dressed up like video game characters. So this lady dressed as Mario. I fucking love this lady. She kept hooking us up with 500 count bags of beads. She's like, go ahead, boys, have fun, have fun. I'm like, and it's not packed. This is like probably a Wednesday evening. It's not a busy night in New Orleans, but there's people just walking by. They don't even know we're there. We're like Batman or a gargoyle just sitting on top of this fucking railing, just waiting for innocent victims to come by. And we are just hitting them. We're not trying to see boobs. We are trying to hurt people. We're just throwing these beads down. It was one of the top 10 moments. But I think I spent probably $20 and threw over 1,500 beads between four of us.
Wow. Is
It's
that how you
amazing.
got? That's why you needed Tommy John surgery. It wasn't from like the youth of just beating your pecker. It was from throwing too many beads at Mardi Gras.
It's definitely from beating the pecker.
Oh, fair.
I'll add to that and say I've never been to New Orleans, but at the strip club event we went to, it was a goodbye party for me when I left the job last summer. And when we were there with all the workers at the radio station, and it was like towards the end of the night. And one of my buddies looks at me, he goes, "This is the best team building exercise we ever did."
That's an interesting move for a place of employment. Like I don't know if I'd ever attend one of those. Having to go to work functions where people are getting drunk and doing dumb shit on their own. That's enough. Going to a place like that, yeah.
I had one of the guys I grew up with too. Like whenever he went to the New Orleans bachelor party, every time that the boobs would pop out and everything, he'd always scream, "I can see both your points now. I get it. I get it." I'm just like, shut the fuck
Jesus.
up, stupid ass. No, in New Orleans too, and I think I mentioned this to Matt. This is probably been a few years ago, but there was a lady. If they ever ask you if you want a firework or a firecracker, politely turn it down. Okay. I was wearing a red polo. So was a gentleman of mine as well. This young black woman comes up and she's like, "I'm a sucker for a white boy in a red polo." And I was like, "Oh shit, okay." So she's like rubbing the back of my hair and she's like, "You want a firework?" And I was like, "What is it? Is it a drink or is it?" And she's like, "Mm-mm. She's like, "I'm going to pull your pants down. I'm going to put that thing in my mouth and I'm going to lick it good. And then whenever you're feeling it real nice, I'm going to lick my finger and stick it right up your ass." And I was like, I'm going to politely decline because I got a flaring hemorrhoid. So what I would like you to do, my buddy here, also wearing a red polo. He's kind of into that. And so I'm watching her. She's doing the same thing, rubbing his head in the back and everything. She's like, And he's like, okay. I can see the thing in the mouth. She's in there. He's like, yeah, boy, okay. And then you can see when the terror just hit, the realization hit. And she's like, And I was like, holy shit. And she said she was going to do that to me for $15. And I was like, it seemed like a bargain. I'm a real good bargain hunter. And I was like, okay. And so he's like, he practically throws her off of his lap. He's like, no. He looks at me. He goes, "Did you know what that bitch just asked me?" And I was like, what is it? He's like, "For $40, she said she would suck it and then put a finger in my ass." I was like, "Dude, she told me she'd do it for 15." He goes, "What the fuck?" So New Orleans, amazing place. But watch out for them fireworks.